Hi, hello, and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. Today we are not going to talk about soda cans like usual on this channel. No, today I would like to show you some pictures from my beautiful spring holiday on the Maldives, especially from the resort I've been visiting called Kudafushi. So if you're only interested in DIY projects, then just turn off this video and go for something else. But if you are for some holiday pictures, nice scenery, snorkeling and a lot of fish, then this is the right video for you. We started with a heavy rain, but that doesn't matter too much because in the evening it was already nice and we could eat outside already. And the next day it was already beautiful weather and we were preparing our first snorkeling trip around the island. So we have been to Kudafushi maybe 3 weeks before the official monsoon season started, and this is then a little bit cheaper. But you have to be aware that you maybe have 1 or 2 days of rain. But if you go for snorkeling, that doesn't matter too much. Kudafushi has a house reef. So to me this is very important because then you don't have to go on a boat and then travel maybe 1 hour to a nice spot or so. You can directly leave your water villa and you encounter these black tip reef sharks that are cruising around the reef. This type of shark is not dangerous if you stay calm. Just don't move too much and, like always, don't feed the fish. Now let's talk a little bit about the clothes you need to go to Kudafushi. The joke I always make is I did not take enough clothes with me to Kudafushi for snorkeling. As you are exposed to the sun all the time when you're swimming here, you want to cover mostly every spot of your body. You see here that I used a long sleeve t-shirt, but I had only short trousers to cover my legs, and also nothing to cover my head. So these two things will definitely be in my suitcase when I go to Kudafushi the next time. The fish you see here is an eagle ray. It's really an astonishing creature. It moves like a bird in the water. But if you would like to see the manta ray, so the bigger version, you really have to make a reservation for one of the boat trips to go to the special spots where they can be found. Here an example of an anemone fish hiding in an anemone. You have to watch carefully to find them. Beside the individual fishes you see during your snorkeling trip, you can also find entire school of fishes, like this swarm here. This film was recorded using an Insta360 camera. Even so, the specification of the Insta360 says that it should be waterproof. I didn't dare to use it without any case. I will leave a link in the description concerning the waterproof case I bought on AliExpress. And here you see a school of fish directly under the water villa. Another cool creature you can see around the house reef of Kudafushi are these sea turtles. They move quite slowly, so they are easy to follow, and you can observe them when they go for a breath of fresh air. Mostly we went for a snorkeling trip in the morning and one in the afternoon. And in between we went for lunch. Even on the way to the restaurant, you will detect fish that you have maybe never seen before. But with a hungry wife, there is no way to go back. And here are some impressions of the rooms we had in the water villa. The air condition was okay, Wi-Fi also acceptable here on the balcony. And then here we had our own deck where you could prepare for your snorkeling trip. The deck is equipped with a shower where you can clean all your snorkeling equipment when you come back. Here you see the huge bathroom, and there is also a shower and a toilet. Kudafushi is around 600 meters long. Here an impression of the dining area. Drinks are ordered and then brought to the table by the staff. You get the food yourself from the buffet. There is also a very nice pool area. This is mainly used by families with small children. And of course there is a bar serving you any kind of cocktails you like. Here you see the island from one end to the other, so it's easy to have a walk around. And of course they have a scuba diving center. And this is already the end of this video about Kudafushi. I hope you had a good impression. If you have any questions, please place them in the comment section. And as always, stay creative and so long!